Hi there. This video is all about a product which is a Yamaha product, obviously. That is Yamalube carbon cleaner. And carbon cleaning is a very basic part of periodic maintenance, and it's so easy. As you can see, carbon cleaner for petrol engine. Oh, basically, it's an oil actually. It's a liquid. So you just need to mix this liquid into your fuel. Just make sure that you have 3 liters of petrol available in your tank. So let's open and oh, it smells too badly. It smells too bad. Okay, that's done. That's it, guys. Please subscribe my channel if you like the video. Thank you.